Vande Mataram friends, I am Bhupendra Patel and today I am going to teach you the topic is to. Please keep in mind that this topic is also useful for standard 11 and 12 also. So, it will be asked in exam that transformation and do as directed in exam. Please remember that it can be useful either use complex sentence or a negative sentence, and here we can learn both the sentences. So the topic is remove to. Dear friends, too means too much, extreme. See the example, Rahul is too fat to enter the room. See that, too fat to enter the room. That is not, we can say that Rahul is too fat to enter the room. Clear? Rahul is too fat. So here the sentence is affirmative, but its meaning is negative. Why? Because I can show you the expression too fat. So how can we say that Rahul is too fat means Rahul is extremely fat. Rahul is very fat that he cannot enter the room. Okay. Now see that the structure of the to. The first of all the comes subject, after that verb, then to, after that adjective adverb, then to, then V1. V1 means main verb. The sentence subject. What is subject here? Rahul. Verb is to, adjective fat, to V1 main verb enter, and the room is other words. So Rahul is too fat to enter the room. So how can we make the sentence? Rahul is, the subject is Rahul, so we can write here Rahul. The verb to be is, so we have to write here is. Now remove to, so here we have to remove to and we can write show. So Rahul is so fat, and to is also we have to remove here and add as a conjunction that. So Rahul is so fat that. Okay, now we cannot write directly enter the room. Okay, here conjunction that is used. So Rahul is so fat that. So Rahul, the pronoun is he. Then see that present tense is used here. So he can not enter the room. Okay, Rahul is so fat that he cannot enter the room. That means we can try to understand in deeply. There are 6 steps here. Step number 1, use the used subject plus verb. That means suppose Rahul is given here, so we can write the same thing, Rahul is. After that, that is the number 1. Second, use adverb so and removing adverb to. So here subject and is, Rahul is 1 is clear. Second one, to. Okay, see that one by one use adverb so instead of to. Third one, use the use adjective. So what is adjective here? Fat. So here is number 3. Use the conjunction. The conjunction number 4. Use the suitable pronoun. So we can say that Rahul that means he is male. So we can use the pronoun he. After that use cannot या could not according to the tense. So which tense is used here? Amizar, that is simple present tense. So we can write here cannot, and after that main verb we can use here. Okay, so please keep in mind the steps one by one. Here in present tense we use here cannot, and in past tense we can use could not. Now see the structure. Here the structure is given about to, and then the structure is about so that. So first of all, Rahul, the subject, then verb, same thing. So adjective, adverb, that. That means what we say, subject is Rahul is so fat that. So Rahul, so pronoun we can use here he. Now second thing, verb, what is verb here? Is, that is simple present tense, so we can use can not. Then enter the room. You understood? Now let's see the another example. Sheetal was too weak to run. Sheetal was too weak to run. So which tense is used here? Simple past tense. Very good, you are right. So now we have to transfer into so that. That means we need to remove to and add so that. So first of all, Sheetal is given here. So Sheetal was. So Sheetal was, instead of to we can write so. Sheetal was so weak. Instead of to we can use here conjunction that. So Sheetal was so weak that. So which pronoun we can use here instead of Sheetal? Sheetal is using female. So she. Now see that was is used here. So which tense is was? In past tense. So we can write here could not. See that Sheetal was so weak that she could not run. It's very easy topic. Okay, now let's see the exercise. I hope do you understand this topic very well. If you have a doubt, then you can ask me. Now the first sentence, Amar is too selfish to be a friend. Too selfish, that means Amar is very selfish. So which tense is used here? Simple present tense. So we can make that Amar is so selfish that Amar. So we can use pronoun he. Is simple present tense. So we can take here cannot. Amar is so selfish that he cannot be a friend. Clear? Now, second one. I was too busy to meet you. That means this sentence is already used. this sentence is about past tense. So, I was. So, we can write here subject I was too. So, too busy. So, I was so busy that. I was so busy that pronoun we can use here I with tense simple past tense. So, I was so busy that I could not meet you. Dear friends, here could is a modal auxiliary, and after modal auxiliaries we need to use main verb. Okay? Now see the third one. We are too proud to learn. So that is a simple present tense, and too proud to learn. So what is subject here? We. So how can we make the sentence? We are so proud that. The sentence is clear. Now what is pronoun? We. So we are so proud that we cannot learn. Dear friends, instead of cannot you can also use will not, and instead of could not you can also use would not. Is that clear? Now the fourth one, the sun was too hot to go out. See that in sentence number 1 Amar is given. So Amar means pronoun he, I subject, we subject. Now the sun. So which pronoun we can use here? He, she, yeah, it. That is a sun. So we can use it. But subject is hidden here. It is said about hot is used for the sun, and go out. Who go out? That is a person. So when the subject is not given here, we can use either we or I beside one also. Okay. So let's see that the sun was. So the sun was so hot that. The sun was so hot that. It is said about go out. That means person. So we can write here one, yeah, I, yeah, we. So the sun was so hot that one, I, we could not go out. Please see that here the subject is not given, but that verb is used for the person. Hot is used only for the sun. That is why we can write here one, I or we. When we are not sure, at that time we can write that pronoun. Okay. Now, tea is too cold to drink it. Tea is too cold. See that. The last sentence is also the same thing. Tea is too hot. So, to whom the tea is so cold? Sorry, tea is too cold. So, to whom the tea is too cold? That for the person. So, the tea is so cold that. Tea is so cold that. The cold adjective is used for the tea. Now, drink. To whom? One, I or we. We can use only one pronoun. Huh? So, I use here tea is so cold that one cannot drink it. Is that clear, friends? I hope you can understand very well, and please, when the topic is clear, you write it down in your notebook so that whenever you need my help, at that time I can show you the exercise. Hello friends, we already discussed about the step 1 of remove 2 and 2. Now we are going to discuss about the second step of 2. Now see that here is a structure is given: subject plus verb plus 2 plus adjective plus 4 plus pronoun. Now in the second step we have to focus only for the preposition 4 plus pronoun. Then how to transfer? So first of all, subject is given there, so we cannot change the subject. After that the verb, the same verb we have to write there, 2. So we have to remove the 2 and write there. So adjective same, removing the 4 and that use that. So adjective that, the same thing we learn in the first step. After that the pronoun. If the sentence is in present tense, at that time we can use can. And suppose the sentence is about past tense, so we have to write could, and that plus not. And don't forget that can or could. After can or could we can write main verb, because these are modal auxiliaries. Okay, so let's see. The first sentence is that it is too hot for me. To whom? For me. So first of all, see that too hot. So we can write the answer. Subject is given it. So it is. So is. First of all, remove to and write here so. So it is so hot. Okay, it is too hot. So we write here it is so hot. We remove to and write there so. Adjective same, and as a conjunction write here that. So it is so hot that. What is the pronoun here? Me. Okay, now let's see that subject. Suppose subject is given I, then object of I is for me. The same thing, we for us, you for you, they for them, he for him, and she for her. Now see that here is given for me. To whom? For me. So what is the subject of for me? Me. What is the subject of me? I. So it is so hot that I. Okay, dear friends, pronoun is real. So pronouns is used as a subject here. Okay, after that, see that is. So which tense is used here? Simple present tense. So which modal auxiliaries we can use? Can ya could? Can you tell me that? Yes, can. So it is so hot that I cannot. Now friends, verb is not given here. So please notate that the verbs bear, face, express, catch, match, fix, take, drink, yeah, etc. You have to use the verb related to the sentence. Okay, can be used to clarify the meaning of the sentence. Just focus here. Clarify the meaning of the sentence according to need. Now, it is too hot. Suppose the weather is very hot. So what will happen with us? We cannot face it. We cannot bear it. We cannot tolerate it. So there are so many verbs here. but we can write here, I cannot bear it. Instead of bear, you can write tolerate also. Okay. Now, the second sentence, the night was too cold. For whom? For her. So, first thing, simple past tense is used here. And what is the pronoun? Her. So, what is the subject of her? See that, her here. So, what is the subject? See. So, the night was so cold that, dear friends, don't forget to removing 2 and 4. Okay, so the night was so cold that, what is the subject of her? She. Which tense is used here? Past tense. So she could not bear it. Okay, dear friends, have you understood? See that, suppose the present tense is used here, you can write can, you can write also will. Okay, and suppose the past tense, could or would. Okay, so suppose you are understood very well, then we once again do the exercise. Dear friends, first of all, you have to focus on the sentence, that which tenses is used, present or past. Okay, after that, which pronoun is used there. Clear? So, Salman Khan is too strong for me. Salman Khan is too strong for me. So, present tense is here. So, how can we change the sentence? Salman Khan is so strong that. Salman Khan is so strong that. What is the subject of me? I. Present is used. So, I cannot face it. I cannot face. I cannot fight with Salman Khan. So, I use here can because this sentence is about simple present tense. Is that clear? Now, see the second sentence. The coffee was too cold for her. So, the first of all, coffee is given here. So, the coffee was, so we write here was, too, removing too, right, so, cold, adjective cold, removing for, right here that, so the coffee was so cold that, what is the subject of her? She. She. Past tense is used here. So, she could not. The coffee was so cold that she could not. Dear friends, which verb we can use here? This sentence is about coffee. So, what will you do with the coffee? Either drink or take. So, you can use either drink or take. So, she could not take it. Okay. Suppose you are not idea about take, then you can write there drink. So, the coffee was so cold that she could not take it. Okay. Now, next, the weather is too bad for us. So, the weather is so bad that for us. So we is, so we cannot tolerate it. So tolerate verb is related with the weather. The tree is too high for me. So simple present tense is used here. Now you got the idea about the pronoun. So it is not necessary to repeat again and again about the pronoun. Suppose you forget it, then see that table, subject and object. Okay, dear friends. So the tree is too high. So the tree is so high that me, yeah, I cannot. Now, which verb is we use here? The tree. Just imagine, suppose there is a tree and it is very high. So what do you do with the tree? Cut it? You are very strong, then you can easily cut it? No. Then it is about the adjective is used here, high. So we cannot easily climb on it. So climb verb is related with the sentence. The tree is so high that I cannot climb on it. Okay. Now the last sentence. The stars are too many for him. Now see, dear friends, this sentence is about the stars. Now just imagine that there are so many stars in the sky. So what will you do? Are you going to eat? No. Then are you going to fish? No. Then which verb is used here? Tell me, many stars. So what will you not do that? You cannot count. The count verb is related with the stars. So the stars are so many that him. So here he, the sentence is about present tense. So he cannot count, and that is about the stars. Stars, that is plural. So we use here them. The stars are so many that he cannot count them. So I hope, dear friends, you understood this topic, and you can take the screenshot also. Okay, and it is necessary to write it down in your notebook, because there are more than 5 steps of removing 2 and 2. Okay, and we have to complete it clearly. Okay.